So, today we are making chicken parmesan with tomato gravy. So, have you got all your things together? I have mine. And like I always say, let's get cooking. I have split my chicken breasts in half. It was a breast. I took it like this and I cut it right down the middle. Bag, put it in. Take your meat tenderizer. I have my eggs whisked with water. I have my flour, my Italian seasoning. And this bowl is my Panko and my Parmesan cheese all mixed together. I have salt and pepper. You can see my little floaters are toasty brown. I'm going to go ahead and put this in a warm oven. The reason it's on a lifted tray is because I want it to stay crispy all around. If I would have laid it directly on the paper towels, it could have gotten soft on one side, and I really want it to stay crunchy. We are going to squish up our garlic. Now we're not really wanting to brown it as much as we want to just cook it until it gets fragrant, which is about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Okay, and now we're going to add our tomatoes. We're going to add our parsley. We're going to add our thyme. We like it a little spice, so I'm going to add a shake of red pepper flakes, some salt and pepper, Okay, so our sauce is done. All right, we are here at the counter, and I have chicken, warm, gravy, delicious, a fresh block of mozzarella cheese, and some fresh basil out of my garden. Okay, so let me explain. The idea isn't for your sauce to overpower your chicken. The chicken is the star, the gravy is the Emmy. Nice and small, but still really cool. So, this is what we do. We take gravy, there you go. That is chicken parm. And I thank you so much for coming and being with me today here on The Happiest Cook. And like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye.